What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a Phantom wallet on your mobile device. A Phantom wallet is essential for securely storing your digital assets, especially if you're involved in cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced user, this step-by-step guide will help you set up your wallet easily. So let's get started. First, let's open the Google Play Store app. In the Google Play Store app, tap the search bar located at the bottom of the screen. While we are in the search bar tab, tap the search bar and type Phantom Wallet and search. If the Phantom Wallet appears, tap Install. If you already have an app but don't have an account, locate the Phantom app. After you locate the Phantom app, tap on it. As you can see, you are on the welcome screen. Tap on the circle in terms of service to check the circle. Now tap on Create a new wallet to create a Phantom wallet. From here, it's up to you if you want to create a wallet by continuing with email or create a seed phrase wallet. Mine is I will continue with Apple or Google. I choose Google, so I will tap on it. From here, choose an account to proceed. Now tap on Continue to proceed. The rest of the video did not show because it's confidential, but you just have to create a 4-digit PIN to get started. Creating a Phantom wallet on your mobile device is a straightforward process that enhances your ability to manage and secure your cryptocurrency assets. Remember to keep your recovery phrase saved and stay vigilant about security. With your wallet set up, you're ready to start trading and managing your digital assets effectively. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.